Hi, we're with stockmarketlive.tv. Today we have a wonderful lesson, complimentary one. Obviously we are going to discuss Best Buy, but also going to refer to other companies that meanwhile they reported earnings, as the case of, for example, Salesforce. We are going to see here the code after hours, Salesforce 79 and 32 cents. And you have to refer to our article on the live blog saying sell Twitter, buy Salesforce. This was a recommendation, a public one, and to our subscribers I gave them a price to buy Salesforce, $67. Today Salesforce, it is worth $79.32. Also I included a forecast and my personal price target in Salesforce. So 100% accuracy, the concept of zero risk investment proven, demonstrated once again. I apologize if I appear in public referring to our success stories, but I don't have anything else to do. So I have to tell the truth. I'm not going here to invent anything else. Also, and these 48 hours ago, I made here my public appearance when shares of Apple, they were trading around 104.80 cents. We upgraded shares to neutral following my personal recommendation to sell short Apple on earnings live, discussing here earnings during 40 minutes, explaining everything that you needed to know at $121.70. At $104.40 we upgraded shares to neutral, since I consider that Apple was oversold in oversold territory. So if you wanted to take profits at that price, you have the video and the complimentary live streaming session on the web. Congratulations, today you have $110. Meanwhile, you had plenty of time to buy shares and to make a profit in Apple during these important bonds. So once again, 100% accuracy proven live on the tape. So we are going to continue, and I'm going to discuss a few other stocks. Obviously, I have also to refer to the case of First Solar, that today in the morning pre-market you had at $28 an half. Following my downgrade to strong sell, announced public on the blog of the company, precisely on the day that Goldman Sachs recommended to invest in First Solar at $72 with a price target $100. And Goldman Sachs was so confident in this solar company, in general in solar stocks, that they upgraded, they added it to their conviction buying list. But obviously it was not going to work, since at Goldman Sachs things they don't work. They never been working for more than 20 years, my friends. So you had to do precisely the opposite, and you have more than 50 examples on the blog of the company. That is to say, shares they were going to collapse, and also I had a personal price target on First Solar, all right? And by the way, today in the morning also, if you were a subscriber, you received a recommendation in real time if you wanted to, since I had a short position in First Solar, okay? So having said this, we are going to continue, and obviously the most important case as of today, it is, for obvious reasons, the case of Best Buy. And why it is so important, Best Buy? Because I informed you here in 2016 that Best Buy at strong buy at $25.70, Best Buy will not go back to those prices again, despite the fact that Wall Street machine maintained neutral ratings and underperformed ratings since then, and remaining bearish Best Buy through earnings. Our rating in Best Buy, it has been strong buy. I've been discussing Best Buy for years. You have plenty of case studies, my live market calls in Best Buy. And you should not ever forget the fact that 6 years ago, as far as I remember, when Best Buy collapsed down to $11 or so, That was an event coincident with Hewlett Packard crashing to $11.80. I upgraded both companies to strong buy. With regards to Hewlett Packard, shares they rallied thereafter. My live call on Hewlett Packard on the website of the company. With regards to Best Buy, precisely the same. In the case of Best Buy, in 2011, 2012, shares they rallied so much that we downgraded to strong sell, and I said Best Buy was going to crash again. And it crashed. It crashed all the way down to $22 or so. And thereafter, after the crash, we upgraded shares once again to strong buy. In 2016, you had a bonus, and the bonus was that you had the opportunity to invest in Best Buy, as I told you, at bear market prices. Moreover, I said Best Buy, it is by far better investment compared to Apple. And if you look at both charts and the performance of both stocks, having as reference my upgrade to strong buy in Best Buy, you have it here, the confirmation live on the tape. At Best Buy, it has been by far better investment than Apple. Therefore, congratulations to all those investors following my personal guidance in the markets. Bear in mind also that you find articles on the blog of the company, a very important one. The title is Principles of Successful Investment, Gap Strong Buy, and the methodology or the algorithm used investing in Gap, it was pretty much similar to the case of Best Buy. And this is again rather important, since this is the information that I disclosed to subscribers. So when I called the crash in Gap with a price target $18, I upgraded Gap to strong buy. No one believed that Gap could rally so much, and you had, for example, today shares trading above $30, a new high in 2016. But since Best Buy is by far better than Gap, as you might, I'm certain, agree, Best Buy today is a stock trading at $46, and you had plenty of time to buy, to invest in Best Buy, because here we do not day trade or short-term trade, or as the Americans, scalping stocks. And therefore we maintain a strong buy rating in Best Buy. And Best Buy, it is so good that even in the morning I added to the position in Best Buy when shares they were trading at $42.70. It's a very good price. So $46, we are fully loaded, or we have been fully loaded. I wish you good luck investing in Best Buy going forward. I repeat, you had plenty of time to buy shares of Best Buy in the past few months. The most important during this process has been the fact that Wall Street remained bearish the stock. For example, today you had several Wall Street analysts, investment firms in the United States, as an example the case of Bank of America, upgrading Best Buy, upgrading Best Buy, from underperform to neutral. So the question that one might have at this point is when Bank of America is going to upgrade Best Buy to buy at $50. My friends, Bank of America is one of the companies that told you that GoPro was worth basically $100. Do you know the price of GoPro as of today? I'm going to type it here for you to see it live on the tape. And live on the tape is dramatically important, since the tape tells you always the truth. $9.97, it is not $100, all right? So I leave you here with the price in Best Buy, and congratulations to everyone following my personal guidance in the markets. And to finalize, you have also on the website of the company a project, a new one that we have been working for, or in, a new educational project. We are reviewing the basic training course, improving it, and you have access to a part of it, introduction and quizzes and so on, which are complementary, and if you wish you can share it with others who eventually may also wish to benefit from it. It is up to you, you did make that decision. Thank you very much once again. I wish you good luck investing in the markets going forward. Thank you.